Hi, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see a ringtone volume panel. Just to mute our device ringtone, we should hold and swipe this dot to the left side. So also I have the second way how we can do that. Just we should press up or down volume button, then click here to the three dots, and by the same way we just launch the sound settings, the volume panels, just to just to mute ringtone volume panel, we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.